Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and Galaxy A55 5G launch in India is so close. Both models get BIS India Certification. Samsung is working on several mid-range smartphones, including the new Galaxy A series lineup and M series mobile phones. Following some design and specification leaks, the Galaxy A35 5G and Galaxy A55 5G have finally made it to BIS India certification. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The smartphones have already appeared on multiple certifications, including the FCC and Bluetooth SIG certification. Alongside the confirmation of the upcoming launch, these certifications also shed light on the specifications of the models. Similarly, the BIS India certification confirms the upcoming Galaxy A35 5G and Galaxy A55 5G launch in India. Apart from the unofficial confirmation, the listing fails to impress without any smartphone specifications and feature details. Here are Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 5G specifications. However, the Galaxy A35 5G has made it to the Geekbench benchmarks, which let us conclude the specifications and we know upgrade over the predecessor. It is listed with the model number SMA356U and features the Exynos 1380 chipset, the same processor found on the Galaxy A54 and M54 and F54 models. The smartphone is equipped with 6GB of RAM and it runs on the Android 14 operating system. In terms of the performance, the Samsung Galaxy A35 scores 697 points in single-core test result and 2332 points in the multi-core test results respectively. The rest of the device details, including its display size, camera specifications, and battery capacity remain unknown. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A55 5G will launch with 25-watt wired fast charging speed, as confirmed by TUV Renland and 3C certifications. The smartphone may launch between April and June 2024 with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus OLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. Speculation suggested that the smartphone will have an Exynos 1480 SoC and an AMD GPU. It could have a 5000 mAh battery with a 50 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 5 megapixel macro camera on the back panel. The front camera should be 32 megapixels. There will be curved corners on the Galaxy A35 and the display will offer a 6.6 inches display. Both smartphones will arrive in Q2 2024, but we won't be surprised if Samsung launches them a bit early. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.